Good morning, I'm Dr. Joseph Lee, your friendly urologist. Now we're here in the Advanced Hyperbaric Center wherein I am going to show you their latest machine, Frozfit. Of course, we're going to interview the president and the CEO, Jesus Ko, for what is bringing this machine and the advantage of the machine. Okay, so you have to watch the full length of this video because we are going to show you the latest in cryotherapy. Before we enter the center, pakilala natin ang presidente at CEO ng Advanced Hyperbaric Center, Jesus Ko. Hello, sir!
Hello.
Tingnan mo, para akong nahiya. Batang-bata. I think this is the effect of cryotherapy. Good morning, sir.
Again, a pleasant good morning to all. And I'm glad that Dr. Joseph Lee take time out to come and somehow impart this information and knowledge about our new innovative healthcare facility.
Actually, sir, when you remember the last time before the construction of your cryo center, we were presenting already your hyperbaric chamber,
Yes.
right? So we have a series of video on that. You can check on my blog and my YouTube because we have presented to you the hyperbaric chamber. And during that time, the cryotherapy center is being built. And as promised, sabi ni Sir Jesus, you have to come back once the whole facility is finished and the machine is already in place. So as promised, I am here. So you will show us the facility.
I would like you to welcome our Frozfit. This is one of a kind in the whole Asia Pacific region. This is integrated together with hyperbaric and cryo. We are proud to be the frontliners to bring this innovative technology for the health and happiness of our young and old generation.
You heard our CEO and President Jesus say, this is the first in Asia.
Actually, if you integrate this hyperbaric and cryo, we are almost the first in the world.
Now, before we go inside, I want to ask you, how was Frozfit derived at?
We are using the ultra-low cryo technology. It's a freezing minus 110 centigrade. So it's freezing delight. so we call it chillness to wellness.
Minus 110 centigrade. Punta na tayo sa kanyang magandang facility. Okay.
But let me talk why I don't wear mask.
Yeah.
The reason I am comfortable, we have what we call clean air,
Clean air.
properly ventilated, well ventilated. It's like you are sitting at al fresco restaurant.
Okay.
So the temperature outside and inside is the same.
I've seen these tubes here.
Yeah.
Sir, what are these tubes here?
Again, this is one of a kind. This is being innovated, come across because of the pandemic. If you are
Enclosure.
in those space, you get infections. So in order to overcome this anxiety, I come across with this method. You can come to my facility. The aerosol will not be able to accumulate because we do this kind of plastic. So in the reception, I can I flush the old air and change into new air in an instant. In a hospital, you have the negative pressure. But what we have is even better, much better than the negative pressure. We use the positive pressure using purified clean air with zero carbon monoxide. That's something you can only get it when you are in the forests or probably in the ocean. We are 80-90% in a safe environment.
Oh, this is a very spacious area. When you look at it, guys, tignan mo, parang social distancing rin. And you have high ceiling. I think high ceilings are very good for air circulation, ventilation.
So now let's go inside the facility. We are in this full body cryo chamber. Again, the first in the Philippines. And this is the biggest multi-room chamber that can actually accommodate 4 people at the same time. The first chamber is -10.
-10.
To climatize. You can stay there for 5-10 seconds. And then the next room, when you open, and then you move to the next room, the second chamber is -60 centigrade. You stay there for 10-20 seconds.
All right.
And then you move to the third chamber, which is -110. You stay there as much as possible, 3 minutes. By the way, the coldness is dry. There is no moisture.
So this is like, if you go into the chamber, sir, it's like going up north. Like, you know,
More than, yeah.
more than that, freezing cold.
But that one with no oxygen. Inside we have double the oxygen.
Okay.
So that is
so
where
you
we are
can
unique.
breathe.
Yes.
You can breathe
Yes,
despite the coldness.
Yes, yeah.
Alright.
The character of this technology, it is nitrogen free. We are not using obnoxious gas. So many good indication, and I think I would like to quote the CEO of Mecotech, wherein he mentioned that IOC, International Olympic Committee, only have 2 legal doping accepted. And the first one is hyperbaric, and the second one is cryo. These 2 technology is being used to boost the endurance, to boost the performance, and the recovery of the pain, the inflammation, or the injury. No?
Some would want to have or to try your
Yeah.
chambers. So, like if I'm hypertensive, diabetic, or whatever, they still can have. They can still try the chamber for.
Except the hypertension. So you need to subside control the hypertension. If it's very erratic, then probably we should not go. If you cannot stay for 3 minutes, you can stay for 1 minute and then go out. But the good thing to stay more than 2 minutes is the happy hormones come out after the 2 minutes.
So what is the prerequisite before you go to the chamber? You have to be tested with your BP, or
Yeah,
they have to check on
The BP.
Baka ang BP mo.
Actually, since last week, I do this daily already.
Oh wow!
I do this daily. I feel that all the pain in my
Joints and
joints
muscles.
cut. This is not only for the sports. This can be also put up in a resort, hotels, in a place wherein, example, call centers, people, a lot of those kids are anxiety, a lot of depressions. So this can enhance the recovery. Even the executive people in the corporate world, they need something to reboot, the word reboot, or boost their immune system. And this is it. We had 2 technology to reboot, to rejuvenate. And the first one is hyperbaric, which is 90 minutes. And this one, to reboot in 3 minutes and 30 seconds.
Very fast. You can do it every day.
Yeah.
You can do it without any adverse effect.
No adverse effect.
Okay, good. So after the patient, let's say somebody tolerated in those this chamber and finish. After finishing the treatment, where does he go? I can go home
Go
now.
home na, relax. And,
Okay.
Because when you come out, especially if you're with the group, you have fun. Everybody smiles.
As you were telling me a while ago, it tends to stimulate the endorphins, and the endorphins are one of the hormones that make us jubilated, happy, and all those stuff. Wow, very good. No? Besides that, I think the immune system would be part and partially, activated, right?
Yeah, because when you're after you come out, the blood circulation is very good. That's why it goes your BP goes up in a healthy manner, except for people who have high blood pressure in the first place.
What else do we have here in your new cryo? This is your cryo
facility. Soon we will partner with chiropractor, so they have a small space for the physio.
Okay, this one.
Physiotherapists.
Like a massage room.
Yeah, like a physio massage room.
Okay. This one is like a sauna.
Yeah, sauna or far infrared, but I built a bigger one.
Oh, this is sauna.
So, yeah.
This is the thing, sir. Like if after they have their treatment in Frozfit and they feel a little bit chill, can they go to sauna?
No.
Okay, you don't allow them. Kasi
you won't chill.
No, sometimes if you know some people
No.
those
Because
feeling of
wala
chill.
siyang moisture. Wala
Okay.
siyang hangin. The chill is inside. But once you're outside, it's a different kind of feeling.
Oh, yan na. So when you do it, hindi ka makakaramdam ng chill. Kasi sometimes, sa mga viewers natin, baka maginaw paglabas, di ba?
No.
So are they allowed to go to sauna or not?
I think it should be the other way around.
Another day.
Another day.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Nice.
The room here, we have 4 machines for the therapy, for the sports rehab, or for the geriatric. My PT should be able to explain it properly.
So where is your PT?
The PT
Come
is,
over here. I will do oral exam to you. Alone. That is okay. You are?
My name is Foresight.
Foresight.
Yes.
Wow. Okay, come over here. Ina. Oh, so guys, you have 2 young PT. Young, old. I'm not a PT. So, you guys have to explain to us the fabulous new machine here. What is this? What is this? What is this? What is this?
Okay, so this machine is called a shockwave machine. This one creates micro abrasions or micro injuries to the affected area.
You use this for muscle or joint only?
Muscle.
Muscle lang. Oh, what do you call this machine?
Shockwave therapy.
Shockwave therapy. O mo guys ha, ang shockwave therapy hindi lang sa kidney, meron na rin pala sa muscle. So, Iha, what is the next machine?
Ito lang po yung tinatawag natin radio frequency po.
Radio
Yes
frequency.
po.
So, what is the purpose of the radio frequency?
Yes po. So ginagamit din po siya sa mga acute and chronic stages po ng injury. So, ang ginagawa
Pwede
po,
ba yan sa MPS?
yes po.
Pwede, no? Kasi may
Actually,
MPS eh.
Actually po, ang nagagawa po nito is muscle relaxation. So,
Yeah.
thermal heat po ang napoproduce niya.
So for this one naman po, high intensity laser. For this one naman po, medyo ang precaution lang po dito, though this is unidirectional po yung light, but as a precaution, we use glasses po, goggles, both for the patient and also for the patient.
And the one that...
So what this do po is using thermal heat, it creates heat effect like the other modalities po na nagpo-produce ng heat. So for this one po, pwede po siyang analgesia and for biostimulation po.
Analgesia.
Yes po.
So, what is this machine about? And look at the paddle.
Yes po. Gumagamit po siya ng magnetic field po, like para sa mga MRI po. Nagagamit po siya for nerve repair, myostimulation, and myorelaxation.
Actually, ang maganda po dito, very
Marami po
specific
siya.
po siya. May list po siya na for this specific conditions. Yun po yung napakaganda. And since medyo may threat pa po ng COVID, what's really good about this device po is hindi po kailangan ng contact. If sinet up po natin to, kahit nakaangat po siya, ilang centimeters lang.
Kahit wala ka
It will
doon.
work. Yes.
Galing. Naka-elevate.
Yes.
Thank you again. And I'll see you soon. Hopefully, I'll try and you guys will treat me, ha? Okay. So, doon naman tayo sa kabila. Hi, ma'am! Okay. So, you are Jeannie from...
Well, actually, I got here because I'm the ultimate patient.
the ultimate patient. But you are Philippines.
Yes, I'm local, very local.
Akala ko baka sa Singapore
Well,
or
I'm
whatever.
usually mistaken for that, but imported materials locally made.
Right.
Good quality,
Yeah. So, what is your role now? Are you...
Well, I'm helping Jess because
Alright.
way back when I was in college, I was heavy into sports at the
Okay.
time. But I also have scoliosis.
Mhm.
No, so I have a lot of these usual body pains when you reach a certain age.
Mhm.
But I was primarily here because of my mom. I
Mhm.
wanted her to try the hyperbaric oxygen.
You see guys Jeannie who is a live. When you say live, talagang all the experience, all the anecdotes you call that. This is not basing on the books, no. She is telling us her experience not only to her parents, her mother, but to her.
Yeah, I'd like to invite you. If you have time, you should try this. Other than it's fun, really fun. If you bring your friends, no, it's also healthy. You know, we invest on our body because this is our tool. This is the thing that's gonna take us and help us experience the beauty of this world. Really. So I invite you, if you have time, come over. It's at 11 Tagdalit Street, Del Monte. Thank you.
We have Ferdy, the coach here in the gym. So, tell us about your fabulous facility here.
You can see we have a lot of equipments. You can do your daily routine workout. This is a one-stop wellness. We have hyperbaric, we have cryo. We decided to offer a gym also, so you can work out also for strengthening like that.
So this is like a cold chamber for vaccine.
Yeah.
Can we go inside?
Yes, please. Don't remove your mask. So we are in the -20. This is the what we call the anti-chamber. The vaccine is inside here. It's -70. We can put 700 to 800,000 of jump. Mga bayan, mga 130,000, 120,000 bayan.
Alam mo, this is so fun. Para akong punta sa sa Finland. You should do this half naked or wearing a short. And since this is a demo, oo, and yung BP ko medyo masaya na, hindi pa ako pumapasok. So they allow me to wear this. But when you do your treatment, you should be half naked para ma-absorb mo. So, excuse muna ako ha, kasi video ko naman to, ganyan, talagang ganyan, di ba?
Together, we're going into the chamber. The first chamber is -10. We're gonna do this kind of chillness to wellness experience. Okay, guys?
Good luck!
Okay. Move your body, guys. Move, move, move. Breathe in, breathe out, and keep your body moving. Move, guys. Move. Move your body. Move around. Move around. One minute and 30 seconds. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Ten seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. Out.
Okay.
How are you, sir?
Okay naman.
Okay siya ha? Kaya ko! I made it! Kaya niyo yan! Kung ako nakaya ko, naku, kaya niyo yan! So come now here. Ayan! Again, ako si Dr. Joseph Lee, your friendly urologist, at na-explore na natin dito sa Advanced Hyperbaric Oxygen Center ang Frozfit. Sana natuwa kayo dito sa aking video at sa pag-interview sa Presidente at CEO na si Jesus ko about their new technology and machine, Frozfit.